YouTubers, here we go again. Today we have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure who this is coming from, but definitely check them out. Their links will be down below. I do believe this is a Kickstarter project they got running right now, so definitely show them some support. Do the backings and all that good stuff for all the Kickstarter people. Check them out. Links down below. We're going to get into this right now. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We are moving along now. Finally, things are going back. And now we have a new year ahead of us. So the mail's finally coming in now. But it happens, you know, towards the new year, everything resets or whatever. It's all good. Here we are again, 2023. Let's start this unboxing. But like I said, hopefully you guys had a good Christmas and all that good stuff. New Year's. Nobody got in trouble. And everybody's alright. And they taped this up pretty good. Nice and secured. GalaxyMan? I don't know. We'll find out once we see the box of goodies. So thank you guys for sending me this to review. Much appreciated. And like I said, YouTubers, give them some support. And click that link down below. Check them out. This is what they have to offer. Man, they did a great job. There we go. We got it. Everything's out. Everything's out. I had good old DHL drop this off, so that was kind of weird. See them guys around. Haven't seen them in a minute. Okay, we got something in here. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. Dang. Definitely secured packaging. So that's always a good thing. Alright. And get to the nitty gritty. Cut there. Cut. Cut it out. Mystery black box. Oh boy. And what is this? Kind of a protector? Protected. Gotta do a few more cuts. Sorry guys. It's all good though. And now the Omni laser light. Ooh. I think this is like the world's most powerful laser pen light. I mean, like the lights up. Optical design, designed with heart, made with intelligence. PMC manager, brilliant light, wonderful life. So that's long battery life. Laser can light up your way to the future. Oh baby. GM assistant, be together, be forever. Amen. Series laser saber. Oh, lightsaber, cool. Zoom zoom, kind of like Star Wars. Light source laser and distance, all that good stuff is down at the bottom. All right. Curious though to see what's. Maybe it's a mini guy. It's just weird that how it's packaged. Interesting. So, there we go. Good. A lot of cutting. Alright, it's all good. Jump on board, get an early backing in. I think they might be out. I'm not sure. But all you gotta do is click that link and check them out. What is this? Some kind of mounting bracket. I can get it out. And it goes to the laser. Alright. See, it's this little guy right here. rubber, so slip guards. We got some Allen wrenches and some screws. Alright, that should be done in a little bit. Keep you in there. And now, here's the main attraction for this Tuesday night. It's been a while since I had a unboxing, but like I said, due to the New Year's switching over, and you know how that goes with the mail and all that good stuff. So like I said, this is Omni Laser Lightsaber. Laser Saber. Looks pretty cool. Kind of looks like a lightsaber. May the force be with you. Go you must. Available battery 18650. For the first usage, please ensure the battery is fully charged. Take out the battery and connect it with the charging cable. The red indicator means the battery is getting charged. The blue indicator means the battery is fully charged. Do not charge the battery in a place close to water or damp environment. Okay, in the box you get standard config, micro USB, charging cable, multifunction, security, anti-theft bracelet, Allen keys, screws, nuts, rail clamp, remote pressure switch. Whoa. Brightness level 100%, high is 100%, mid is 45, and low is 25. Functional strobe, boom flashes, that's what it says. And strobe, oops, sorry about that. Strobe is SOS flashing. Oh, baby, battery install. Alright, this should be simple. Here's the little mounting bracket, tells you how to do it. We'll probably get it done at the end, so if you want to stay tuned for that, be my guest. Whoa. Alright. Definitely excited. I think I'm coming down something with the flu, or I don't know, this weather's from like -20 to like, 40, 50 degrees overnight. Weird time to be in Michigan. I might have to charge this baby. GalaxyMan. Okay. So it's called GalaxyMan. Here's twist and shout. Na. Whoa. That's a battery. Sticking in. It goes like that. Sure, it's nice in there. Smash the window in case of emergency. It's a very nice thing to have. I might actually have to charge it. Okay, I'll be back. Guys, before you charge it or install it, make sure you take this film. This little protective film right here on my thumb. And it's going to be on the battery. And look at this. USB on the battery. So you charge the battery. I couldn't figure it out for the life of me. I'm like, where is the USB port? Whoa, here we go. You do not point this at anybody's eyes, especially your animals, your cats, your dogs. Oh, this is nice. This is like super clear. Don't worry, I'll go outside too. It's not too bad out. I mean, this is just the beauty of a light. I'm not going to try to shine it in you guys. If you're sensitive to light, I would turn around right now for a second. Because it is bright. Here we go. Look at that. Alright, now we're going to test it outside. Like I said, I'm not going to shine into my neighbor's windows or stuff like that. Or at airplanes, not shine at airplanes or anything in the sky. Because you never know, they could be saving a life or you could be endangering their lives, you know? So just be cautious. If you're going out hunting, whatnot, you know, stuff like that, then I'll definitely use it. But yeah, definitely be careful operating this thing. So look at that, the globe. You can see the globe like shine. Alright, now you can read. So that's really cool how the battery is the USB. So remember that, guys. Take off the film. Fully charged takes about 4 hours. And you'll be good to go for a while. So before the first, please make sure the battery is fully charged. Take out the battery and connect it with the charging cable. Do not charge the battery in a place. Okay, we already got that covered. Okay. Alright. Okay, there's a laser. You see that? That is crazy, though. My neighbor's probably like, what is he doing? Just got a really cool flashlight or lightsaber. Pure. Because it has that green like a lightsaber. Luke Skywalker's, you know? Yoda. Go, you must. Definitely. Okay, now it's time for the install on the bracket. We'll be right back. Alright, guys, for the harness, which is really nice. You can adjust it. All you gotta do is push this button in and pull it down, or you can pull it up, depending on how big your wrist is. But like I said, it took one loop and wrapped it around and got it into the slot right here. So that's that one, and now we're gonna do that bracket. All right, that was really easy to do. You just gotta take this, pop that out, and then put the 2 rubber stoppers right in here, and then right on top. So in case you go on a bike ride, so you can mount it. There's a little mounting bracket, or pretty much whatever you're gonna use it for. Maybe for hunting, you're gonna have it. You can make something for it to mount it with. But there it is. The grooves are right there. You gotta slide it in somewhere, you know. It'll be all good. Look at this. Bam. There's the SOS. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, do not stare at the light, because I feel it. There we go. That's pretty cool. But now we're going to go outside, give it a true test. Definitely excited. Stay tuned. Here you go. In case you have a power outage, this would be a good light to have. Look how bright. You can see pretty much the whole house. There you go. Alright guys, here we go. Whoa, look at that. You can see the green. Man, it's super bright. You can definitely see where you're walking. It's a little chilly out. Like I said, it is a laser, so be careful where you point it. I got these sensors right there. Cool, it shuts it off. There we go. There we So if you're out in the woods, hit the SOS. Tripping out now. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, I'm cold. Check them out. GalaxyMan. Right down below, links. Right on Kickstarter. They are live. Be safe. Have a good night.